Hi, in this video I will share with you how to use chopstick. It very easy, a little effort, you will be master of it with no time. Let me teach you how to use chopstick for food. Okay, first of all, you have to arrange your fingers like this, two fingers and these two fingers. This is the arrangement of your fingers, this shape, and fix this chopstick at this point and spoon at this point. This is my position. Fix at this point and take a spoon at this point. Then next chopstick is I hold at this point and take a spoon with these two fingers at this point. So this is the use of chopstick. Okay, just remember this first chopstick is fixed, it's not moving, it's static, and this point is static, fixed, this point is static, only this point is moving, this point is moving, and this point I just take a spoon, it's not fixed, it's static. You know this, and this is the best way to enjoy your noodles. So thank you for watching, take care, bye bye.